Imagine vibe coding your way to a functional SaaS in minutes. Today, I'm building a real AI image generator that actually makes money using Zoer AI. No backend, no code, just results. Now, before we jump in, let me quickly set the context, because this is super important for you to understand how powerful this is. What you're about to see is not just some pretty mock-up, and it is definitely not a demo that looks cool but can't actually collect a single dollar. This is a real, live web app, built entirely with prompts, that you can actually deploy, share with the world, and charge your users for. And the tool making this entire thing possible is called Zoer AI. If you are new to this world, Zoer is a next-level AI app builder that lets you describe exactly what you want to build, and it generates the entire application for you from scratch. I'm talking about the front end, the back end, the database, user authentication, and even the payment processing, all of it. When you use this no-code app builder, you do not have to write a single line of code. You do not have to mess around setting up complicated servers or crying over terminal errors. You literally just vibe code your way to a working SaaS app. So, here is the game plan for today. I am going to start with a single prompt. That one prompt will create an entire AI image generator application using the Nano Banana Pro model. From there, I will show you how to customize the app, deploy it live so the whole world can see it, and connect payments so your users can buy credits and start generating their own art. And hey, if you want to follow along and build with AI right now, I have left the link to Zoer AI and the exact prompt I am using down in the video description for you. Anyway, enough talk. Let's actually build something. I'm inside the Zoer dashboard right now, and the first thing I'm going to do is paste in my main prompt. This specific prompt describes the exact app we want. A professional AI image generator with user authentication, a working credit system, and Stripe payments integrated. But wait, before we hit the big button, we need to configure a few essential settings first. In this menu, you can toggle whether you want your app to be public or private. We are definitely going to activate the database option to store all our user data, and we will turn on auth to enable secure user authentication. We are also going to activate the AI image feature so our app can actually create those stunning visuals using the Nano Banana Pro engine. Also the upload option so users can provide their own reference images. We are also enabling Stripe payments because, let's be real, we are here to build a business. I will show you the full setup for that in just a second, so stay tuned. Also, take a look at this prompt box. You can actually upload reference files or screenshots here if you have a specific UI design or aesthetic in mind. This makes the whole process of AI app development much faster because the AI doesn't have to guess what you like. There is even an enhanced prompt option if you need a little extra handcrafting the perfect instructions for your new AI developer partner. Okay, once I hit enter, I want you to really watch what happens here on the screen. The Zoer AI app builder instantly starts processing the request. It's not just thinking, it's actually understanding the concept of a landing page. It knows we need a place for users to log in, it picks a specific color palette based on our vibe, and it fills in all the small details. It even figures out which features the app needs to be successful, even if you didn't explicitly list every single one in your prompt. This thing is seriously smart. It creates everything intuitively, analyzing the style of the page right down to the typography and the smooth animations. If at any point you see something you want to tweak, you can just ask for a change in the prompt box or simply click Build App to move forward. Watch this. It starts generating the entire app architecture right before our eyes. What you are seeing here is Zoer AI acting as an automatic full-stack architect. It is not just drawing a website or making a pretty picture of one. It is actively constructing a database, which will be the heavy lifting backend of your app. That is the invisible part that makes everything actually work. Then, the AI moves on to writing the front end, which is the beautiful, interactive part your users will see. And the coolest part, if I want to, I can export this entire code base and run it anywhere else. That is the true power of AI coding. And just like that, we are done. I mean, look at how great this looks. I did not design any of this manually. I did not spend hours writing backend code or debugging CSS. Zoer did every bit of it. It added sleek animations, high-quality images, and it even generated testimonials and a pricing section. Of course, you have full control here. You decide the pricing, the subscription tiers, and how everything is structured. You don't need to separately purchase or license Nano Banana or Nano Banana Pro. Zoer already includes these AI models within the platform. As the app owner, you're essentially selling access or credits to your users through the app you build. When users buy credits or pay for access, the revenue goes directly to you, based on the pricing and tiers you've set. So, in short, Zoer handles access to the AI models, and you monetize by selling credits, subscriptions, or paid access to your end users. Now let's take a look at how it handled the authentication. Right out of the box, the app comes with a fully functional login system. Users can sign up with their email or just log in with Google. Email delivery and verification are already handled for you, which is honestly a huge relief because setting that up manually is usually a massive pain in the neck. The best part is that no dev work was needed. But wait a minute, it looks like we hit our first little snag. We have a small bug here because the app took us straight to the image generator without making us buy credits or a plan first. Honestly, this is totally normal. This is exactly what happens to everyone in the real world when you are building software. Let's fix it using the power of how to vibe code. This is the heart of the process. You just talk to the AI like a human, describe what's wrong or what you want to change, and it adjusts the result on the fly to match the vibe of the app you are trying to create. It is like having a lead developer who never gets tired of your requests. Okay, with that fixed, it is time to see how it turned out. I am going to pick this creator plan, enter my email, and voila. Now the app is correctly asking me to proceed to payment before I can start generating. But wait a minute, we haven't actually configured our Stripe account yet. Don't worry, it is actually very simple if you just follow these steps I'm about to show you. Please, do not skip this part. If you do not connect your webhooks correctly, your app won't know when a payment has been made and you won't get paid. I am going to show you the 2-minute shortcut to getting this right the first time. First, you will find a menu here with 4 options. I am clicking on the control center and then on the little Stripe gear icon. These are the fields we need to fill out. To do that, I am going to copy this link called the webhook endpoint. Basically, this is a special URL that acts as a bridge between Stripe and your app. This is why I told you at the start that this is an app for making money. When a user pays, Stripe sends a message to this URL to tell your app, "Hey, the payment was a success, give this person their credits." Now let me show you the inside of my Stripe dashboard. Before you take your app public, I highly recommend running some tests to make sure everything is perfect. To do that, I have enabled test mode. It is basically a sandbox environment where I can simulate payments without actually using real money. When you are in this mode, you can use fake test card numbers, so no actual cash moves around while we are tinkering. Now, go to the Developers tab and select Webhooks. This is where the magic happens. Stripe sends messages here every time an event occurs. For example, Stripe tells your app, if the payment was successful, then activate the credits. If it failed, block the access. Click on Add Destination and in the search bar, type in Checkout and check that option. Now, type in Payment and pick the relevant options you see on my screen. And finally, type in Customer and make sure to select those events too. With these specific events, your SaaS app can automatically activate accounts, hand out credits, cancel access when someone stops paying, and handle all your upgrades or downgrades between different plans. I have listed these exact events in the video description to make it easy for you to copy. Then I just click Continue. The webhook endpoint option is already selected, so I'll hit Continue again. Now, we just need to tell Stripe where to send those events. In the destination name field, you can just type the name of your app. In the endpoint URL field, you are going to paste that link we just copied from the Zoer dashboard. Click Create Destination, and what we really need is this signing secret code it just generated. I'll click Reveal, copy it, and paste it back into Zoer, where it says Webhook Secret. Now, back in Stripe, go to API Keys. I am just going to click on the publishable key to copy it and paste it into Zoer. I'll do the exact same thing with the secret key, and then all that is left is to hit that save button. Do not stress if you need to rewind and watch this part a few times. Once you are doing it with your own app, you will see it is not nearly as intimidating as it looks. Now, let's see what that professional checkout page looks like. I am hitting the full screen arrow again. I'll select my plan, log in with my Gmail, and now, instead of that error message, it says Proceed to Payment. As you can see, the checkout page looks clean, secure, and exactly like what you would expect from a high-end professional site. I'll just enter some fake test data since we are still in test mode, and when I click Pay, I get a beautiful message saying the payment was successful. And look at that! My credits have been added automatically. That is the beauty of those webhooks we just set up. Next up, let's actually play with the image generation. This is where the Nano Banana model is wired directly into the soul of the app. Users can just type in a text prompt, choose their aspect ratio, and hit generate. The app automatically tracks their credit usage in real time. Whether it is text to image or image to image, everything is already connected and ready to go. Let's give it a whirl. I'll put my prompt in the box, choose 16 by 9, and click generate. Okay, I noticed a tiny detail. When I click download, the image opens in a new tab instead of just saving. Since this is vibe coding, I am just going to ask Zoer to fix that. I'll even provide a couple of screenshots to give the AI agent more context. Let's try it again. Perfect. This time, the image downloaded exactly how I wanted, and you can see my credits are being debited correctly. And that is literally it. I just clicked deploy, and my app is now running publicly for the whole world to use. Of course, I can even connect my own custom domain to make it look even more official. This isn't just some random toy. This is a real deployed SaaS that people can log into and pay for. Zoer didn't just help me build a tool. It helped me launch a monetizable AI business in about the time it takes to grab a cup of coffee. If you found this helpful, definitely check out the link to Zoer AI below, grab my prompt, and start building your own empire. Every single person who signs up for a new Zoer account gets 15 free credits right away to test the platform out. And if you decide you want to scale up, you can see the prices for their monthly and annual plans right here on the screen. One last pro tip. For the color palette, I actually used Adobe Color to explore different themes. I just searched for the word app and picked the one I liked best. All you have to do is mention those specific colors in your prompt. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments. You know I do my best to answer every single one of you. Just a quick heads up. My channel isn't a place for financial advice, and nobody can guarantee specific business results because every startup takes real effort and strategy. This is strictly for educational purposes. A huge thank you to Zoer AI for making this video possible and to you for sticking around until the very end. I am wishing you so much success with your builds today. Peace out!